Okay, City of Dreams right there. So context, there's Wynn Palace, Grand Hyatt, MGM. I think this one is Regent Hotel, which is going to be the future Londoner. And we're going to go check out this one, City of Dreams. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, City of Dreams right there. My bike is right there, and we're gonna walk into this cool lobby of City of Dreams. There's a place in here called the Countdown, which used to be, I'll show you all that stuff too. And there's this really cool little area that was called Soho, and I'll show you all that as well. But this is this kind of cool lobby, nice bright colors, kind of interesting thing, giant lions. So let's get on inside and get on inside. Check this baby out, eh? All right, there's a giant lion. Gonna get this camera right up into that. And then I gotta get my mask, which is right here. Put the mask on the lion, right? Okay, so let's go check it out. So we just came in, got this kind of cool stuff. And there's like shopping malls, and we're gonna go up to this place. This is called Soho. So let's go check this out. Soho, second floor, that way. Down that way is the casino, that little green. But actually I could see security looking at me when I had the camera, so I was like, I'm not gonna point that way. But anyways, we're gonna go check out Soho. Just in case you're wondering, I can't put the camera in those kind of places because they'll confiscate my camera or my film. So I just don't even mess with it. Because they will make me do that, guaranteed. Okay, so this is called Soho. So let's go check it out. It's actually more people are here than I've seen in a long time. I'm really surprised. So yeah, this is, I don't know if it's tourists or locals. And there's also this balcony. I don't know if I can go out here or not either. Let's see if we can. Yeah, we can. Good. So yeah, there's this beautiful balcony. And there's another restaurant here. This one is Fengxing. Oh, there's all kinds of water that I'm walking in. So yeah, this is a little outdoor court. Parking lot. All right, so kind of a cool facade, right? It feels like you're outside, but actually there's no air conditioning. It kind of feels like I am outside, but technically this is inside. Oh no, these are actually open. So okay, that's where Hard Rock Cafe used to be, called Countdown. We'll try to get over there too. So let's go check this out. So okay, got some pretty interesting stuff here. So just gonna go check it all out. And let's see. Tapas bar, white wine. Okay. So 4 tapas. I'll just kind of show you this real quick. So these are kind of some of the stuff they got. Slider, huh? Okay. Egg and chips. So let's just keep on going. Got these kind of cool things. Gold Coast, oysters, seafood, Starbucks, a lot of Starbucks, and a Korean place. Okay, and we're gonna keep on walking down. There's a Japanese place too, so we'll just check it all out. But yeah, this is called Soho, and it's inside City of Dreams. High K. So this must be since 1965. Yeah, and this used to be a Japanese place that had like little sumo wrestlers and all kinds of cool stuff. But that one was I think it was like buffet style, and it was very overpriced. Actually, all of these are. Let's see, I'll show you. Hello. So yeah, a lot of those are like 128, 168. It's about 120 is 20 American dollars. Sorry, 160 is 20 American dollars. Here there's like 16 American dollars. I guess it's not crazy expensive, but you know, if you go to China, it's like 7 or 8 American dollars or 5 American dollars, you know. Okay, so we're just gonna take a look at this. This used to have a lot more stuff everywhere. There's a casino floor, big Dragon Ball. Okay, so this is Soho. It's called Soho, and I think we're gonna navigate towards the countdown. Yeah, this is a part of City of Dreams. Yeah, this used to have a lot more stuff coming in. So it used to have stuff that I think kind of went out of business. There used to be stuff like right here, and now that's shut down. And there's something used to be like something that was like a Mexican food that was kind of okay. Okay, and then there's the countdown this way. So yeah, it's called City of Dreams. This one also connects to the Morpheus, and it connects to some other stuff too. VIP. Okay. I don't know. I think there's not many other places to go here. The Living Club VIP Lounge. Okay, let's see. Dancing Water Theater, Soho, which we were just at. So I think we're just gonna head on down, and then downstairs you can see shopping malls. So you can see it a little bit already, and then this kind of connects to. Actually, there's kind of extensive shopping in this one. All the casinos have a lot of extensive shopping, but this one does too. So I guess we'll give you a look of that as well. Huh, there's a lot of changes here. This used to have this beautiful mural that had that was like kind of photogenic. There's me. See what I look like. Scruffy beard and all. So, but yeah, this one right here had some kind of something really cool. I can't remember what it was, but it was something that was that was nice. Where's me? Is that me? Can you see me? So there's me right there. But yeah, they had something really cool right there. And then you'd go up there and you go to the Hard Rock Cafe, which is gone now. And then this one is a shopping mall. I think I can't bring a camera into the shopping mall. Galleria. But basically the Galleria looks a lot like this. It kind of has this shopping mall feel. And then, yep, that was the Soho. There's a restaurant right over there. So let's walk a little bit into this area. I think we got more into the shopping mall again. Let's see if we can find our way out of it. There's a dragon down here, so I'm gonna try to catch that. Okay, here's oh, it's casino. Okay. Well, I'm gonna turn off the camera. Okay, so that was all Galleria. I just walked through it. There's quite a bit to walk through. And then this is Prada, Saint Laurent, Cartier. So we're just gonna walk into this other mall part. So this is also part of City of Dreams too. But yeah, Gucci, Bottega Veneta, Cartier, Vuitton, second floor, Versace. So basically, yeah, you just have all this upper end, high end things, which is pretty common in almost all the casinos in Macau. Sometimes when you're in Las Vegas, you know, they try to hit all the different spectrums of people. But here, minimum bets are pretty high. That's a really amazing car. Dang, that car is cool. I don't know what I'm gonna do for my thumbnail. I thought I was gonna have that other one, but I don't think I can do that now. I think I have to use this as my thumbnail. Wow, that's like a swimming pool there, man. That's really cool. Yeah, look, you can Man, that's styling. Keep out. Yeah, that's El Dorado. Dang. Man, that's cool. Huh. Yeah, that's amazing. I don't even know how I would do the thumbnail for that one. I guess it'd have to be like that one. Thumbnail, and then like right here, I'd write City of Dreams Casino. What's this? Huh. So yeah, this one exclusively for invited guests. You have to be a hotel guest. You have to spend over 100 mop. That's like $12. That's not very much at all. But you'd have to stay here, City of Dreams, and then you can then what, you get to just do that as much as you want if you're a kid, even if you're an adult. That's pretty cool. Huh. That's the first time I've seen that. Okay, so we're right in the middle of everything. This is Must University, House of Dancing Water, Chilong. Huh, okay. So yeah, so I guess if you stay at this place, you get to do this cool thing. I guess you have to be, can't be a big guy though. Okay, let's keep on checking things out. Morpheus is straight ahead. We're gonna go around. So this is what it's called, C.O.D, and then there's the Morpheus there too. More expensive things. Chloe, Montclair. So most of it is Rimowa, Soromsky, Kenzo Paris. Okay, so yeah, I think this leads into the Morpheus, at least according to the sign. Michael Kors. Okay, this is City of Dreams, and it's COVID time. The House of Dancing Water is a theater, the most exciting show in the world. Huh, I gotta see that. Part of the expat community, there's a ton of them that work there. So if you're a member of an expat community, which is anybody that lives in Macau, there's the exit there. I don't know where the Morpheus is supposed to be, but I guess we're gonna go up and walk around. Okay. Okay, oh, there's the Bank of China branch. I think it's open too, it's Sunday. Huh. So we just jumped up to the second floor. Coach, Boss, Fendi, Dior. So yeah, if you need your high-end consumer goods, this is the place you want to go. Gone down Soho, we just came from Soho. Well, anyways, this is basically what this casino looks like. Oh, this is the entrance. So it looks like you need to spiral side temporary closed. Okay, so don't stay here now because it's temporarily closed. But that's a cool slide, so you get to slide all the way down there. And it's a pretty cool thing. I hope it's strong enough. It looks like it's made out of shaped metal and plastic. Okay. Anyways, pretty cool. I think we might just end it right there. I think this is a good ending spot. At least you get an idea for City of Dreams. And we're exiting out of City of Dreams here. So here's the C.O.D up there with these giant walls. Okay. C.O.D, City of Dreams. And then you can see the whole Cotai strip. You can see Venetian, you can see Parisian. And yeah, these giant billboards. Okay. There you go. Is that my thumbnail right here? City of Dreams, like that. C.O.D way up there. Okay.